Unlike their prokaryotic counterparts, eukaryotic mRNAs recruit ribosomes using a specific chemical modification called the 5' cap, which is located at the extreme 5' end of the mRNA. So, इनमें कोई RBS या कोई ऐसा सीक्वेंस नहीं है जैसा कि प्रोकैरियोट्स में होता है, बल्कि इनके 5' एंड पे एक्सट्रीम पे कुछ मॉडिफिकेशन होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं 5' कैप. The 5' cap is a methylated guanine nucleotide that is joined to the 5' end of the mRNA via an unusual 5' to 5' linkage. Created in 3 steps, the guanine nucleotide of the 5' cap is connected to the 5' end of the mRNA through 3 phosphate groups. The resulting 5' cap is required to recruit the ribosome to the mRNA. Once bound to the mRNA, the ribosomes moves in a 5' to 3' direction until it encounters a AUG start codon, a process called scanning. So, ये जो है ये इधर से स्टार्ट होता है और फिर ये जो है चलता जाता है उस वक्त तक 5' से 3 डायरेक्शन में चलता जाता है उस वक्त तक जब तक कि इसको स्टार्ट कोडॉन नहीं मिलता, और इस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं स्कैनिंग. 2 other features of eukaryotic mRNAs stimulate translation. One feature is the presence in some mRNAs of a purine 3 bases upstream of the start codon and a guanine immediately downstream, that is 5' guanine, then ANNAUGG. This is the sequence. This sequence was originally identified by Marilyn Kozak and is referred to as the Kozak sequence. Many eukaryotic mRNAs lack these bases, but their presence increases the efficiency of translation. In contrast to the situation in prokaryotes, these bases are thought to interact with the initiator tRNA, not with an RNA component of the ribosome. A second feature that contributes to efficient translation is the presence of a poly A tail at the extreme 3' end of the mRNA. So 3' end के end पे एक poly A tail भी है. This tail is added enzymatically by the enzyme poly A polymerase. Despite its location at the 3' end of the mRNA, the poly A tail enhances the level of translation of the mRNA by enhancing the recruitment of key translation initiation factors. So डायरेक्टली ये ट्रांसलेशन को तो इफेक्ट नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि ये 3' एंड पे है, बिल्कुल एंड पे है, ठीक है, लेकिन ये इनडायरेक्टली जो कुछ ट्रांसलेशन फैक्टर्स हैं उनको रिक्रूट करके इस एफिशिएंसी को एनहांस करता है. Importantly, in addition to their roles in translation, these 5' and 3' end modifications also protect eukaryotic mRNAs from rapid degradation.